Texas' latest immigration law is attracting swift legal pushback. Today, the ACLU sued Texas, calling its empowerment of state police to arrest people on the suspicion of illegal immigration unconstitutional.
The president of Mexico has also promised to challenge Texas over that law. Our Ryan Chandler has been tracking the law's anticipated impact on the border in Brownsville.
This is usually a pretty good area to cross because you have a huge opening right here where you can just you can have someone come pick you up and you can pretty much take it from there.
Mauricio Garcia has straddled countries and cultures his whole life.
Our communities are so intertwined that it's so hard to actually separate them.
Born in America, raised in Mexico, he serves many clients in the opposite situation, those living a life of legal limbo. He says immigration laws need desperate fixes, but he worries for the impact of Texas's novel new crackdown.
I think a lot of people don't realize the ramifications of this law, and it's not going to be until you start getting your tia, your tío, your primos getting arrested because they're getting racially profiled. That's when it's going to start causing issues.
Senate Bill 4 creates a new state crime for crossing illegally. By empowering state police to order migrants across this bridge and essentially self-deport or face prison time, Texas is hoping to test the limits of federal authority.
We think that Texas already has a constitutional authority to do this, but we also welcome a Supreme Court decision that would overturn the precedent set in the Arizona case. Governor Abbott hopes a new court will tip the balance of power, while assuring those in Brownsville legal residents will be safer. So one thing that officers understand, and that is wrong to profile. The only thing we are doing by this law is making sure that our law enforcement have the tools they need to actually take action. On one thing, they all agree. Reform is urgent, but any lasting hope will come from Washington, not Austin.
There's always been talks in Congress, and we all get our hopes up, and then all of a sudden we just get let down.
That was Ryan Chandler reporting. In response to the ACLU's lawsuit, Governor Greg Abbott told us on Tuesday, quote, President Biden has repeatedly refused to enforce federal immigration laws. In his absence, the governor wrote, Texas has the constitutional authority to secure our border. Texas will take this fight all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court if necessary, end quote.
Digging a little deeper, a new UT Austin Politics Project poll shows that Texas voters don't have very high expectations for the state legislature after a long round of 4 special sessions. The poll shows that no more than 26% of voters are confident that the legislature actually improved security along the border. Data showed similar percentages for voter confidence in reducing property taxes, improved safety of public schools, increased reliability of the state's electrical grid, and the water supply.